I never thought about being a judge until about 8 months before I applied to be a judge. I always wanted to be a lawyer since I was 5 years old. My dad was a JAG lawyer. And so I grew up knowing I wanted to go to law school. I started as a prosecutor. I absolutely loved my job as a prosecutor. Did it for many, many years. Became Solicitor General, which was the misdemeanor prosecutor. And then when I stopped being misdemeanor prosecutor and went to the Secretary of State, I was doing a lot of admin law. Which was not terribly exciting, and I wanted to get back in the courtroom, and that's the first time I thought about being a judge. And I applied, and I was lucky enough to actually get the position. The best part is, in some way, being your own boss, but probably the biggest thing that I like the absolute most is trying to help young people. I have a pilot program. It's not really a pilot anymore. It's been about 8 years. In my courtroom called My Journey Matters, where we try and take young violent offenders, armed robberies, aggravated assaults, and divert them from the prison system. They still go under sentence many times as a first offender, but they have to come see me every month. It's like an accountability court. They have to be in school, they get drug tested, they do job logs, resumes, book reports. They bring me their report cards. They have to report in all the time. And our hope is that we get them educated and stable, and they're actually out of the judicial system, not the usual 3-year recidivist rate, but actually never coming back to us. So I think that's absolutely the most rewarding thing I've done as a judge. I hope to accomplish a couple of things. One is to bring our staff attorneys up to every judge in the state and bring their pay up to a reasonable place. I also want to start a rewrite of portions of the jury charge so that they're in English, so that our juries can actually understand the charge that we're giving them. That's a big undertaking. Hopefully the folks that follow me will continue that if we get it started, because it can't be done during my term. Right now I am reading a book by David Baldacci. I read a lot of that. I think one of my favorite books, if you haven't read it, is The Art of Racing in the Rain and To Dance with the White Dog. To Dance with the White Dog is a local author, Terry Kay. It's a great book. You're going to laugh and cry in the first 10 pages. The Art of Racing in the Rain is a very unique book that I need to go back and read. It's been a couple of years.